Froggy Plays. Today we're going to be playing hide and go seek with my friends. So yeah. Okay, so yeah. Yeah. Oh, she's saying hi.
I don't have anything.
So we're gonna go now.
The Squid Game girl is gonna be the seeker.
Yes.
Scarlett, come over here. Zoom in your character, person.
I'm just gonna call my friend or person, cause yeah, we don't want to say their name.
Okay.
Hey, he's cheating.
Okay. We're not allowed to do any like hacks or go on the roof and stuff because that's unfair for the person.
First, I'm gonna get my skin tone. Now I gotta get my face. I totally need a face in this. I'm just gonna hide my name. Okay, now my hiding spot is done. I'm hiding right there.
I'm not ready yet, so don't go.
Wait.
Why is this code not
Oh, you know that hack, the dance?
I'm trying to do it.
Oh,
I'm buying this post pack. That's 5,000 money just for this one post. Oh yeah. I wasted a lot of Robux.
Robux?
Yeah, not Robux. The money, whatever it's called. I'm not telling you.
Oh, I can show you a really good one for that. Oh, in a while, sometimes you get up.
I'm not ready yet.
Okay.
I have an idea. Okay, I'm ready.
I'm ready too. Wait, I'm not ready. I'm not ready. Okay, we're ready.
Okay, we will both give you one hint each. But when you actually need it.
Okay, I hope she doesn't find me. That's me. I'm not gonna tell you where my friend is. Where friend is. You have to find her. I'm Seeker next, so I'm just gonna create an outfit, and you find her. Oh yeah, by the way, I'm gonna do the dance.
Yes.
Scarlett, come here. Come here. Come to where I am.
Okay, so I'm in the recording studio. Well, I'm in there.
I'm gonna go to the recording studio and show you. I'm gonna show you the dance. Watch this. Watch this. I'm gonna go by the door. Watch this. Watch, I can do it. Oh, bro, 1 second. just gonna say it. I just said it.
I can see you guys. I can see both of you. Come on, guys. Tell me if you give up.
If you didn't know, you
You
can
give
go.
up? Okay. Go beside the snowman.
Come,
Go beside the snowman.
follow me.
Go beside the snowman outside. Stand there. I'm in the wall. I was in the wall. You jump on the snowman, and then you just go in the wall. Look at it. There.
Okay. You.
I win.
Okay.